So myself, Pankul Garg, joined as a Director of Finance in Agrim. Agrim Wholesale is a B2B e-commerce company. So we are using, there's a big list, we are using 20-25 products of Zoho. And one of the products which I am using per se, Zoho Finance, Zoho Books, Zoho One, Zoho Payroll, etc. So there's a long list. I think I have used SAP since last 17 years in my career until now, but this Zoho, when I saw it was commendable. It was really standing up to the mark of SAP, even more than SAP, because I can compare only with SAP, not with any other ERP, because I have not used in the past. But when it comes to Zoho Financial, I think I have been doing financial modeling, financial closing of books of accounts, accounts payable, accounts receivable, getting the reports. I think this is one of the beauty of Zoho, and getting the analytics reports in one shot. And we can schedule a timer for daily reports. I think this is something unique about Zoho. Our business has grew at a pace which I just shared at more than 2x, and thanks to the inventory modules for that, thanks to the accounts payable, thanks to the accounts receivable, thanks to linking of all these processes at the back end by Zoho automatically, so we don't have to do it anything on the manual, just available at the click of a button. Yeah, I think so. There are many features, many improvement areas. Quantifiable, I think the revenues top line has grown significantly by more than 2x thanks to the reports. I will definitely, like I mentioned, I have used SAP for 2 decades now in my career. Using Zoho for the first time, I think it was really difficult for me to take a call whether to starting using Zoho or not. But when I started using Zoho, I think that is commendable, and I will recommend to each of my friend who is working in retail, in e-commerce, in FMCG industry, because this is a platform of success. I wanted to extend my sincere gratitude to you and the entire family of Zoho for organizing this such a wonderful training session of 2 days. Mind you, I have always been using SAP, but this training session is something unique which I am looking forward for. I will also request you to have more sessions like this in every 6 months or every quarter, so that an end user, especially a fresher like me who has never used Zoho in his career of 20 years, can be benefited like this. Thank you so much for being such a patient trainer, and giving training at such a length for hours and hours and throughout the day means a lot to us. Thank you, Zoho team.